Hey, it's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I went into Beverly Hills. I was craving a breakfast burrito from Erewhon. I get the bacon, egg, and cheese one. It's so good. It's probably my favorite breakfast burrito I've had in LA. On the way back, I got the puppies a puppuccino. This is Leo's, I think, favorite thing in the whole world. He loves these puppuccinos. Louis likes them too. Saw a couple of other poms that they played with for a minute, and we just walked around the neighborhood in Beverly Hills. Honestly, this is my ideal morning. After all that walking in Beverly Hills, we came home and I just snuggled on the couch with Leo. He's wearing this cute little sweater that my mom got him for Christmas. Tonight for dinner, I decided to make a HelloFresh meal. I was trying to decide which one to make, and I ended up going with the Mushu pork bowls. It was my first time making these. It was such an easy process. I really love HelloFresh. It's been very convenient, and this was probably one of my favorite HelloFresh meals that I made. It was so good, and I would 100% get this one again. Leo is such a strange dog. He always makes these weird noises and bites his leash every time I try to put it on. Not sure what that's about. Anyways, good morning. I headed over to Yeasty Boys, which is one of my favorite quick places to grab some breakfast. And we just grabbed that before heading over to the Century City Mall. This is still one of my most visited favorite places in LA. It's just honestly the nicest mall I've ever been to. I went into H&M and Zara, but didn't find anything that I really liked, but it's still just such a nice place to walk around and do some window shopping. We stopped at Jones on 3rd, which is such a staple. I come here quite often to get this Chinese chicken salad. It is so good. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Taking Leo on his morning walk, the usual weekday routine. I have to head into work, and it's nice because we don't have to be there until 10. So I'm a morning person, and I get to enjoy a peaceful morning without having to rush into work. After work, I came home and made some dinner and spent the rest of the night on the couch with the puppies. This is how most of my nights after work look. Happy Wednesday. You guessed it, I'm taking Leo on his morning walk before I have to head into the office today. Here is what Leo gets up to when I'm not home. This is him jumping on the trash can that I showed in one of my last vlogs. It has a pet-proof lock on it, but he literally flips it over and attacks it and tries to open it. After work, I got ready to go grab dinner with one of my friends. We went to a newer restaurant in Beverly Hills called Dante. Look at this view. It's on a rooftop. We got the pizza and also espresso martinis. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but so is everything in Beverly Hills. Good morning. It's Thursday morning. I'm taking Leo out for his morning walk. I just got ready for work, and usually the weeks are not too eventful for me since I'm going into an office every day. Thank you so much for spending a couple of days in LA with me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.